Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome to 2022. For today's video, I am just simply gonna get ready. Ignore this. I'm just sitting down randomly. I decided to film today, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do my hair and makeup and just chat about a couple of random topics about some maybe goals for 2022. Yeah, that's about it. So, without further ado, let's get into it. So I just showered. I'm going to do my hair first just to get it out of the way. I'm actually going to show me doing my hair today because I'm hoping this works out. I'm just going to detangle my hair just a little bit. Hair is brushed out. I'm going to put in a leave-in conditioner. This is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil from Shea Moisture. I've used the deep conditioner before and I loved it, so that's why I bought this leave-in conditioner as well. Yeah, so I just used the Shea Moisture, a different shampoo today. I can't remember the name of it. It's a hydrating one. 2022, I want to be more happy overall. Like, I realized last year, probably in the beginning of it, like how unhappy I was. At the beginning, probably midway, I realized how unhappy I was just overall, and I want this year to make myself a little bit happier. Oh, there's a fox. It's a big fox. Oh, man. The cat's inside, so I'm okay. I want to do just like a slick back pony with like a braid. And I have my extensions here. Yes, my hair is wet, but I don't care. Just my extensions here to maybe put a couple in to extend the length. Like, my hair is pretty long, just like, you know, that little extra. So there's two ways you can probably do this. I want a high pony. If I hide one like underneath, I guess that can work. That is an extension. This is heavy. Holy moly. And to make sure this is actually a little more smooth, a little bit of gel in my hands while I'm braiding throughout this. All over. Oh, that is the hair. Finally. Feels like I've been doing it forever. Now we're gonna move on to the face. So the focus I kind of want today on my face is like very fresh. So I do want it to last a little bit, but yeah, I just want to go with fresh and then kind of do like the extra little like cat eye. So starting off, I'm using my Matte and Fix Primer from Revolution just on the, right here, right there on my face. So I'm not actually going to say all the products. I'm just going to list them below. But yeah. So for 2022, let's get into that. I would like to really just, how can I put this? For 2022, I would like to just be like my better self, if that makes sense. Like I do have like different goals. Like one, I would like, if it doesn't happen, like I can't beat myself up about it, but it'd be like to lose 20 pounds. 2021, like even though I eat healthy, I was exercising, I was staying active, I just gained weight, and you know, things happened. I also went off birth control during the time, which I do have my video coming soon. I'm just trying to get all my notes together for it to make sure like I can tell you everything, you know. 2022, I'd like to, so goal one, like lose maybe like 20 pounds if possible. You know, if it doesn't happen, I can't beat myself up about it. I would just like it to happen. With that being said, like for like the weight loss thing, I do have like fitness goals. Like I'd like to feel stronger, and overall physique wise, I just like to make sure my waist stays like small and my booty gets bigger. My goal is to stick with the gym and not quit it. So far so good, you know, a few days in. I think, and this year as well, I'd like to end it off, like for 2022, be financially free. That was a goal I had last year, and it just did not happen. No matter how much I tried, I felt like I couldn't get ahead. If anything, I was going backwards, and it was just, I didn't understand it. I barely bought myself anything. I just paid my bills, but yet my money was just gone. And yes, I looked at it to make sure nobody was stealing my money. Nobody was. It was just like I didn't have any. So this year, I'd like to really try to just get my finances together a little bit more. Like I'm starting off strong, kind of doing it a different way. Like if this works for me, I will share like how I did it. But so far, I'm just, you know, still testing all this out. So I went off birth control last year, and then I was trying to focus on like my health wise, just like getting my hormones together. Realized that likely another link to everything was my hormones. So another reason, like trying to get all that back. What am I trying to say? I don't even know right now. I'm just trying to get myself back to a place where I feel happy again. Like super happy, like not super happy, but obviously you can't always be perfectly happy, but pretty close to it. So another thing I want to do this year is travel somewhere, at least to one place. I thought I was going to do it last year. Turns out I just didn't. Just didn't have the money. Try to do it this year. My boyfriend would like to go to Disney, which I think would be fun. Yeah, just I want to travel. There's so many places in the world I'd love to go. My top destination is actually like Ireland, Scotland, England, and then also like pretty much the whole world, because the world is beautiful. It's back into my goal of being financially free this year. It pretty much is just like removing the majority of my debt. I want to get rid of everything other than pretty well, I guess it'd be like my car payment, because like I have no reason to pay off my car early right now because I do have a 0% interest on it. I'm very lucky. I got 0% interest on it. So it's just kind of just like I'm paying it month to month right now. Because I'm trying to get ready so fast right now, I feel like I can't even focus to speak right. But yeah, just like 2022, let's like make this year our year. So I do have like a couple, like I'm trying like investments, I guess, like slightly. I have a portfolio with Wealth Simple, and I'm just kind of going to use that and see where it goes. Really feeling this oranginess on the eyes. don't know if you can tell. 2022. Just, oh, it's hard to describe. But was anyone else like feel the same as me, like that it was just wasn't a good year? Like it started off pretty good. Like I was happy overall in the beginning, or at least the first half of it, and then went downhill so fast for the remainder. Just like, ugh. I'm kind of just thinking about it, and then in the next few days I'm gonna kind of like put a really solid plan in place and start making some actions to make the difference. I find like that's the best thing to do, is like, you know, you got to think about it first, not just like go ahead, because if not, you're gonna put all your energy into it without having like, you know, like a plan. So yeah, for 2022 as well, let's see, I just want to be like that girl. Like, and if I can come up with a new career this year, that would be lovely. That's a goal, because I've been kind of stuck working as a waitress since now 2018. Don't get me wrong, like this job is like better than a lot you can get around where I live. I think I'm just looking for maybe something a little more permanent or a little more steady, or something like that I really want to do. Like an ultimate goal would be like maybe make YouTube a career, but I don't see that happening in the foreseeable future. So like as of right now, I need to look for something else. If I won $1 million, oh, my $1 million plan is insane. If you guys, people heard me say it, they'd be like, you are crazy. And I'm like, I know. I want to make sure, trying to focus on like my overall health, like and something relating back to my hormones, is like getting my skin clear. Oh, the makeup I just got on this shirt. Getting my skin cleared up. I just have like a lot of texture, starting again on my jawline and everything. If anyone watching this has any good recommendations for textured skin, I'm all ears. It's not even like super bad texture. Like I don't have like too bad like accentuated pores or anything. It's just my like acne. It's like little blackheads and stuff. Like I need to get rid of them. Just a little bit of a lip stain, you know? I'm gonna throw a gloss on top. Just add a little color to the lips. I want to go with that bitten look, so like you fade it out. I made a TikTok about this. Looks wise, I look so much better in 2022. And it was effortless for me to get a photo some days. 2021, I struggled. So I'm gonna try to, you know, get a little better this year. Feel free to follow me on Instagram. I like to post like apparently every 2-3 weeks. I'm going to quickly change my clothes and I'll be right back to think of a little more thoughts. Alright, I'm back. Just changed my shirt. Going with a very casual outfit today. I think I also want this year, in 2022, to be more stylish. Like I want to upgrade my wardrobe to be like that girl, you know, like that chic girl. Like she knows how to dress. Like that's what I want. So I gotta do a lot of research. Anyway, so we went through health, wealth, well, relationships is, I'm in a relationship, it's going good. Hopefully it develops into more, we'll see. And overall, what I want a career, I want to look stylish, I want to feel healthier. Yeah, so that's my 2022, a little chit chat while I got ready. Hope you really like this look. It's very simple. And yeah. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. Next one is probably going to be nails or something maybe. I'm thinking nails. Like it's just I have two separate hands right now, and I think I want to bring everything together, you know? Push it together. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.